Hey there, car enthusiasts! Today, we're going to talk about the importance of cabin and engine air filter services at Russ Darrow Nissan. Let's dive in. You might be wondering, why do I need to change my air filters? Well, let me tell you. It's all about keeping your car running smoothly and efficiently. You see, air filters play a crucial role in your car's performance. They help to keep out dirt, dust, and other harmful particles that can cause damage to your engine. Over time, these particles can build up, leading to decreased performance and even potential damage. That's where our dealership comes in. We offer top-notch cabin and engine air filter services to ensure your car is running at its best. Our team of experts will inspect your air filters and replace them if necessary. They'll also clean out any dirt or debris that has accumulated, keeping your engine running smoothly. So, don't wait until your air filters are clogged or damaged. Schedule an appointment with us today and keep your car running like a dream. Make sure to ask for Alan or ED for a special surprise.